Technology is always developing, from a portable face mask sanitizer to a portable washing machine. Today, we've put together a list of 8 incredible new ideas that are on a completely new level. Before we start, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and stay for the last gadget. Face masks have become popular all over the world, so we all have more of them than ever. Glove Light has made a new product that can help keep your mask clean, so you can wear it every day without breathing in harmful bacteria or other contaminants. The Glove Light is a UVC carrying case for your mask that can kill all harmful bacteria in a minute. This keeps your mask clean and sanitary between uses and could save lives, according to Glove. Most people put their mask in their pocket, purse, or even a zipper bag when they are not in use. This can cause bacteria to grow and make your mask less effective. The Glove Light cuts down on this bacteria and cleans your mask without having to put it in the washer. The Glove Light is small enough to fit in your pocket or purse and can be charged with a USB cable. Just put the mask inside the Glove Light, close the lid, and the UVC light will start to clean the mask almost right away. Mitch Portable Washer. Having a washing machine at home can be very helpful, but if you don't do laundry every day, dirty clothes can pile up quickly. The Mitch Portable Washer was made to be a companion to your existing washer, giving you more space to wash clothes on laundry day. It's small, can be stored on almost any shelf in your home when you're not using it. If you just open up the sink and plug it in, you can wash a t-shirt and other things at the same time. 2 sets of underwear, 2 shirts for babies. All you have to do is add your clothes to the 8 pairs of boxers and 10 pairs of socks. Just add water and detergent and the washer will do the rest. It will even spin dry your clothes, so you can hang them outside to dry in one time. The small size makes this a no-brainer for any home and can help you clean your clothes much faster than using a standard washer alone. The Aromio Sense is a brand new side table lamp that will blend in beautifully to any office or bedroom. This lamp is able to adjust your lighting throughout the day, giving you the perfect amount of light to suit your daily needs. This amazing device can change your day-to-day life, bringing peace and calm to your home. You can schedule sessions of light and aroma to help you wake up in the morning, stay alert throughout the day, and sleep peacefully at night. The included smartphone app will also let you schedule sessions of light and aroma. You can change the color of the light, the frequency, or even change the brightness to best suit your needs. But it doesn't stop there. There is also a built-in aroma diffuser so that you can add your favorite essential oils and have them steadily release it into the air throughout the day. SnapMaker 2.0. 3D printers have taken the world by storm, but SnapMaker 2.0 is much more than just a 3D printer. The SnapMaker 2.0 is a great all-in-one tool for making or customizing things for your home. It can 3D print, laser engrave, curve, and do a lot more. It has interchangeable heads that let you 3D print almost anything you want. When you're done, you can switch to the laser cutting head and cut through almost any material you can think of, or laser engrave your favorite products. The whole system is run by a screen controller that is based on Android. This makes the system easy to use and compatible with most new apps or technologies. It is also easy to upgrade and program, so you can be sure that you will be able to print or make exactly what you want. Patron Ring. With this amazing device, you won't need a touchpad or a mouse for your computer anymore. The Patron Ring is an amazing product that lets you take touchpad anywhere. It has all the features of a standard touchpad built into the ring. This ring can connect to your phone, tablet, or computer through Bluetooth and can turn any flat surface into trackpad. Built-in sensors in the ring can track your finger movement and turn them into digital cursor instructions. This means that you won't need a trackpad because your computer will be able to follow detailed hand gestures and turn them into cursor movement on the screen. You can use your desk as a giant touchpad for drawing, creativity, or simple daily tasks like browsing the web or scrolling through your email. The ring is also very easy to set up. Just pair it to your device with Bluetooth and let the technology inside the ring do the rest. When you're done, the ring can be quickly and easily charged for later use. This product can help you take great photos or videos with your phone right away. The Snowpa Atom 2 is a new device that connects directly to your phone and has all the best photo taking features in one place. You can use the Snowpa as selfie stick to take as many photos of yourself as you want using the built-in aperture button. If you'd rather take videos, just turn your phone around and use the stick's self-leveling feature. If you want to take a simple picture of yourself or of your friends, you can use the Snowpa as a tripod. However, one of its most impressive features is its advanced AI software. This software lets the device track your facial movement and follow your movement on camera without the need for a cameraman. The stick can move on its own and follow you as you walk or run, keeping you in the camera's view and in focus. Baseus Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus Car Vacuum can help you clean up tough messes in your car or home quickly. This vacuum can pull out dirt, debris, or leftover food in an instant. It might be small, but it has super strong suction and was made with aircraft quality metal. It is made to last a lifetime, has a motor that can handle even the toughest messes with just 15 volts. The vacuum can be charged so you don't have to worry about cables or other wires getting in the way. With this one simple tool, you can quickly and easily clean your headliner, dashboard, between seats, doors, trunk, and much more. Just press the power button to turn the vacuum on and you're ready to clean. When you're done, take out the dustbin and throw it away. If the vacuum gets dirty, it's easy to clean because it's made of stainless steel. Just swab it down with warm soapy water and you will be ready to clean again in no time. You can also plug it and charge it for a few hours so it's ready for your next job. CatSun. This amazing device will keep you from ever having to clean out your cat's litter box. Again, the CatSun, the new type of automatic cat box that will clean out your cat's litter box every time it uses the bathroom. A series of complex sensors are built into the device, allowing it to know when a cat is inside and when it leaves. As soon as the cat leaves the box, it will sweep out any contaminants into an easily removable tray so you can dump them. This litter box is even more interesting because it will also sanitize the litter using UVC light. This means that the box will always be clean and sanitary if you just plug it in and let the technology do the hard work for you.